Hey there, Eric Mortimer here, Maxwell Capital Realty. Doing this quick video for you because things are really starting to heat up out there. We're seeing more action in the Calgary region than we've seen since 2014, and people are making some really silly mistakes. Don't make any of these mistakes. Stay tuned to find out what they are. All right, welcome back. As always, please make sure you share this video that's looking at making a move. As I say, there's a lot of mistakes happening out there, and we want to make sure we're looking after our friends and family. So forward this video to them. Also, please make sure that you like it and subscribe to it. And on YouTube, hit that little bell so that you're notified of any future videos. We need more cowbell.
I gotta have more cowbell.
All right, mistake number one, don't take advice from just anybody. A lot of people end up in conversations with their Uber driver or their hairdresser when they're perfectly nice people, but their opinion isn't necessarily correct. Make sure you're talking to a team of advisors with a proven track record and lots of 5-star reviews and raving fans. And just happen to know a great one for you. All right, number two, don't quit your job or change jobs. And this is really important. Don't even change the structure of your job with the same company. So some people will quit jobs. They think, oh, I'm going to get a raise, or they quit their job and they want to be self-employed, or they stay with the same company and they switch to being an independent contractor. This can mess things up. We need to have a proven track record. So hold tight until everything's done before you make any changes. Number three, don't make large purchases before your possession. Some people will go and they'll jack their credit cards up by buying a fancy new fridge and stove that matches for the property, or washer dryer, or all of the above, which really messes up your debts. Or some people will even buy a car and get a car loan. They don't realize that this affects their debt service ratio. So wait to buy that car or anything else until after you have possession. Number four, don't change your hours of operation or take any unpaid leave. We want to make sure we have consistent pay leading up to the time of finalizing the deal. Next one, number five, don't use mattress money. Cash is not an acceptable right now. The banks need to see a track record. So if you've got a mattress full of money, take it into the bank now and make sure you have a good track record of where that money came from and it's sitting in the bank for a while. Number six, don't run your credit multiple times. A lot of people will try and get a good deal, so they'll go to Scotiabank, TD, BMO, they'll go to a mortgage broker in multiple places, and this can really mess up your credit rating. So make sure you don't do this. Number seven, don't overuse credit cards. So keep your credit cards balances where they are, or pay them down. Make sure that you're talking to our expert for the best advice on credit cards. Number eight, don't co-sign for a loan. It doesn't matter if it's for a vehicle or another house. A lot of people don't realize that this affects your credit, even if it's not your purchase. So do not co-sign for another loan. Number nine, do not go on vacation. Especially right now, leaving the country, who knows when you're going to get back. Do not go on a vacation. Make sure that you're in town and that you're around and easily accessible during the closing time in particular. Some things still have to be done in person and you need to be readily available. I had one client that took off and it caused all kinds of confusion about a year and a half ago, and it's totally unnecessary. Just wait that extra week until you have possession. Number 10, don't wing it. A lot of people will try to do things at the last minute and wing it. Somebody have told them that they can use their RSPs for a down payment, for example. And so then they'll try and put their money into the RSP at the last minute. And you can't do that. There's certain timelines and processes that we need to follow for deposits and for various things along the lines. Same thing with getting your tax figures and all that. It can take some time to get passwords from Revenue Canada. All of these things can delay it. So don't wing it and don't wait till the last minute. If you're thinking about making a move, give me a call or give me an email, and I can help you get the ball rolling. So if you have any questions even, just give me a call or an email. I'd be happy to give you any tips. No hassle, no obligations. So until next time, I'm Eric Mortimer, real estate agent and agent of change, helping you solve your problems and realize your dreams. And remember, we need more cowbell.
Guess what? I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.